Hey guys, this is Patrick from the HostGo, and I'm going to be showing you our feature how to add service providers to your store notifications. So this is a really helpful feature because it allows your store to be automated in a way that it hasn't been before. So basically, if you have a product that requires someone to fulfill it, whether it means restocking inventory or fulfilling the service itself. So for example, if you have a mid-stay cleaning, you want to notify your cleaners whenever somebody orders that. This is what that feature does. So this is widely applicable, and I'll go into some of the applications here, but basically what this feature does is you can add your service provider's emails at the bottom of an individual item you add to your store, and then every time that that item is ordered, they will get an email notification. They will also get an email notification 48 hours in advance of when it needs to be fulfilled, and also when that inventory of the item is low in your store. So some examples of how this could be used. So for pre-order items like a mid-stay cleaning, you can send it to your cleaners and your co-host to let them know. Other examples would be if you're setting up a birthday party and you have a birthday cake coming in, then put your baker's email on there. If you're delivering fresh flowers or fresh linens, put your linen delivery or your florist on that item. And so then they'll get that notification when they need to. And then for physical items, if you're head of hospitality or your co-host or cleaner is fulfilling that, then you should probably put them on as a notification because this allows them to get a notification when the inventory is low on that item and they'll know when to restock it. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'll use one of the suggested products. Please note you still have to fulfill this item on your own, but we just put it here so you can easily add it to your store. So I'm going to do a midweek cleaning. So it's a pre-order product, add some instructions, and then you can email. And as many people as you need notifications for this item whenever it's ordered. I'm going to start with my cleaner, obviously, so they can know and be the main point of contact for this item because they're the one delivering the service. I'm also going to let my co-host know, just that way because they might be messaging the guests on Airbnb and just so that they can be informed about what's going on. And then I'm also going to put my property manager on. And that's an important note about this feature is you can add as many people as you want. I mean, that's really great, and that's one of the best parts of it. And it also allows them to stay informed as to what's going on. So then you just click Create Products, and voila, it's automated from there. And it really just runs itself. And you can always go back into old products and add this. So for example, sunscreen, like I was saying, it's a physical product in your store. So you're going to want to put the co-host on there and see. It looks like I already have done that here. So just double checking that that's there. But you can go in and add, and it will automate all of these notifications for you. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@thehost.co. I'm really excited to see what you guys do with this feature.